Hi, this is Mike Rankin with CreativePro, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to make two items swap positions in Adobe InDesign. Here in my example file, I have two pieces of placed artwork, but this same trick works for anything on the page. You can do it with text frames, including ones that are threaded together, or any other native InDesign objects. I'll start by selecting both objects, and then I'll go up to the control panel and check that the reference point here is set to the center. Then I'll go over to the right and first click Flip Horizontal, and then I'll click Flip Vertical. So at this point, the two frames are where I want them, but now they're upside down and backwards. To fix that, I just go to the Object menu and choose Transform Again, Transform Sequence Again individually. And what this will do is flip both frames horizontally and vertically, but do it individually so they'll stay in place. Just like that. So that's a quick tip for how to make two objects swap positions in Adobe InDesign.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, creativepro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.